This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the partwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 25 of building the Transformers Optimus Prime. We're continuing the pelvis with this issue after looking at Ron Wiki. That sounds bad. Interesting stuff there. Feel free to pause and read all the words if you like. The First Love. Romance lost in time. Interesting. I don't know. Robots in love? Why not? They're basically human. They've got other emotions, so why not have love as well? Kickback. Sounds like a familiar name, but I can't really place him. Decepticons, Series 5, Part 2. Again, tiny little things. Not as much fun as the big ones. I vaguely remember a tank type one like that though, and the gun was Browning. They probably wouldn't be allowed to do that now, would they? I know they changed the Megatron. Used to be a gun, but yeah. So that's that. Yes, the pelvis part 3. Very quick build episode. This we're just going to do one little bit, the same as we did on the first one. On the other side, I'm not even putting them together yet. But that's that. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get it built. So yes, parts from last time that we're actually not doing anything with yet. Parts from this time, we've got this, which is going on there like so, just like that one did on that side. And we've got our single screw to hold that together. I've already got that out of the packet, good to go. That in there like so. Get that tightened down properly onto there. And that's it. That's this issue done. Now, before I put it away, I am going to pop it together because it's going to go together like that. You know it's going to go together like that. So this bit joins up quite nicely around there. No, I mean, this is, again, still just going to be one side of the pelvis. Where are they going to go? Ball joint thing to go onto. They're not going to go on there. They obviously haven't got the part that they're going to attach to yet anyway. But, yeah. So, I shall put those aside. I think next time is another self-contained issue. We're not actually doing much with it. So, I shall see you for that very soon. There are other part works happening in the meantime. So, catch up with any of those. And I shall see you for this next part in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.